Hello! I am super excited! So I'm fangirling. I am standing here with Ariane. How do you say your last name?
Ariane Arsenault.
Arsenault. Her link is in the description below, but I know all you soapers know who she is. You just reached 100,000 subscribers.
Yes.
That is so cool.
That is so exciting.
I know, isn't it? It's like, we can't wait till we
Like,
get
who would
there.
have thought? Like,
I know.
little island girl
Yes.
making soap in
I
her
know.
basement.
Isn't that funny? That's the way it always goes. So, you were one of the first people when I started. I soaped 25 years ago.
Okay.
But I kind of quit, had kids, didn't do it for a long time. When I started to want to do it again, you were one of the first people I saw.
really?
Yes, you and Katie from Royalty Soaps, you two were.
Awesome. I have to check out your channel.
Yeah, you guys were the top ones. I was like, oh, I have to do that. And so I watched all of your videos, and I haven't been able to keep up as well, but I still go in as
There's so
often
many
as
videos out there. There's no possible
crazy?
way we can like watch them all.
Isn't it crazy? So I wanted to talk to you about how did you get started soaping? And it's turned into this. Now, do you do most of your sales through tourism or through your website?
Well, okay, let's start with the first question.
Okay.
So I started making soap 16 years ago. I started as a mountain pour soap maker, as I didn't know how to make cold process, but soon enough I wanted to learn cold process because people were asking me about it, so I took classes on cold process like the following fall after I started making my mountain pour soaps. But it kind of happened by accident. My mom had the opportunity to buy this little boutique that was in a very touristic area, and I was in Montreal studying arts, and she offered me to sell my art in the shop, but I was like, it's really urban what I'm doing, it doesn't fit in the islands. And my grandma and all of her sisters used to make soap, and I would know this from like family history. And it always like kind of intrigued me, how would soap be made from oils
Isn't
and
it
fat?
cool?
So I told my mom, I want to make soap. And then she's like, are you crazy? And then my dad in the background would say, let her do her thing. She has $200 to lose. What else could she lose, you know? So I got all of my little student money and I went to a store where they sold mountain pour supplies, and I made 9 bricks of mountain pour soaps, came back to the islands with that, some necklaces and some postcards that I had printed. And after a week, all the soap was gone, and the necklaces and the postcards were still nice and neat on the shelf. So we pushed aside the crafts, and we only kept making the soap, and I had to call friends in Montreal to ship me more supplies. And the first summer was just like, ooh, okay, we got something there. So my mom and I, had a chat, and we decided to do it again next summer, and then a student project became a lifetime work. And
Neat. That is so neat.
Yes.
I mean, because I didn't realize that you had started so young.
Yes, I was 23 years old.
Oh,
I was just like in my last years of
Okay.
finishing my university degree in
Uh-huh.
arts. And then after that, well, the islands are really touristic, so most of my business has been summer vacations and a little bit of local people. But since it was closed the rest of the year, and all of the islanders mostly work in the summer too, they don't really have time to shop in my shop in the summer. But last fall, after 15 years, I opened a second store, most in the main central town area, because we're 12,000 people, so we can't really call it a town, but So, and I opened my new workshop, my new workspace, which has a storefront, and the local clients really responded very well, and I've been able to work from my passion for the first time year-round this year.
wow.
Yeah.
So this is the first year
Yes.
that you've done it full.
Exactly, I never stopped since last spring.
Wow.
Yes, and as far as online sales go, it's about maybe 10-12% of my revenue.
So you
it's
do mostly tourists.
tourist and in-store, yes.
In-store. Oh,
Yes.
I have to say, I felt envy in my heart when I saw your new store. Oh, it is so. You guys, I'll put a link in the description below because she did a tour of it when you first got it done.
Yes.
Oh, it's nice.
I even have a live video of the
Yeah.
groundbreaking.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank
it's
you.
really cool.
Thank you.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Thank you.
And it's fun. I like it on your videos because you show all the like when you're making bath bombs, you show the whole process,
Yeah.
you show the equipment you're using, you show how you store it. That's
Yeah.
what I like about your videos.
Yes. Well,
Even
I
if
think-
I'm not inspired to do all those bath bombs, it's fun to watch.
See how it's done. Well, my
Yeah.
videos, I can say, have a dual purpose. They have the purpose of informing my customers of how the products that they are buying are made, and they also have the purpose of helping and sharing, and sharing what I learn to the soap making and the handmade cosmetic industry. So I love to network and I love to share. And on my island, I'm the only soap maker. So making the videos was a way for me to get rid of those boundaries and network with other people. And I love to share and help people. And when I learn something, I absolutely like to share back.
So how long have you been making the videos?
I think since
It's been a while.
2012.
Okay, I was gonna say, I thought it was about
and
2010.
can I tell about how I got started doing the
Yeah,
videos?
how'd you
Okay,
do it?
so actually I had a couple kids, 2010, 2012, I was pregnant and sometimes I was bored, so I started going into Facebook groups and I got into Soaping 101 with Kathy McGinnis, and I don't even know if she knows this, so we'll have to tell her.
Okay.
But she was doing these monthly challenges, and since I had editing knowledge because of my art degree, I decided to do the challenge via video, and then I already had a YouTube account that I didn't really use, but I uploaded the videos there and then shared into her group just for fun. And then I think people just liked it, and then I kept making more, and then eventually I realized after a little while that I had 20,000 subscribers. I didn't even know we had subscribers on YouTube. I didn't even really know what I was doing, and then Kathy once wrote me oh, you should monetize your channel so you could sustain your videos, and then I kept on going, and then eventually people were asking me to buy my soaps online, and that's because of my YouTube channel that I now have an online store. I did things not the typical way someone in business would do. I think I built everything brick by brick, a little at a time,
And the thing we keep trying to stress, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this is a great example. You have to have a product to really make money at YouTube. Because a lot of people want to make money at YouTube. You have to have something to sell to really
Exactly.
and not just ads from YouTube.
Well, the ads help a little. I mean,
A little,
they do, but not that much. People are like,
No.
oh my gosh, you have 100,000 subscribers. Are you making lots of money with that? No.
No. If you took the ads, we consider the ads a bonus
Exactly.
for us.
Yes.
It's not our actual income or revenue.
Yeah.
And so that's great that you have the product.
I actually run a Patreon campaign for people who want to learn more, so they can pledge monthly. And so I give them tutorials, and I ask them for their input. And we have a private Facebook group where I have live videos every month, so they people can give me $3 a month, get a recipe, a formula each month with a tutorial, and depending on their pledge level, they get different rewards. And so that's a way also for me to share, with people who want to know more about soap making, because I don't have the time to do one-on-one teaching. That's not my main goal. But for those people who have been asking me to for some tutorials and recipes, that's a way to do it, and it's fairly inexpensive. At $3 a month, people get a full recipe each month. So that goes really along well for those viewers of mine who aren't customers but are soap makers.
Yeah, and it's funny because I just did it just as a hobby, and it's turned out to. That's why I named it How to Make Soap, because I like doing all the different soap types.
Yes.
And it's a way for me to have my YouTube channel and have an excuse to make soap and get it, taken off of my taxes.
That's awesome.
Anyway, thank you
Thank
very
you so much.
I'm so excited we got to meet up here. I didn't know you were going to be here, actually.
Really?
Well, I just.
Well, you must have not have been on the Guild's website then.
Well, I just found out I was coming last week,
Oh,
so
that's
I
right.
didn't.
Okay.
I didn't really have a chance, so I was super excited when I saw you. So thank you
so much.
Everybody, go check out her website in the description below. It is great. She's got over 100,000. How many do you have now?
I have almost 110K.
110,000 people love her for good reason. Go check it out. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you guys next time. Oh,
Thank
yeah,
you.
livingonadime.com.